compared to the other anti-snoring devices that you've tried,
Yeah.
how do you like the Snorple?
I like it a lot. It was really comfortable. It fit well, and apparently, what I thought was cute, subtle snoring, it really took care of. So, was a winner for me.
Hey guys, it's Sheila. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a more closer, intimate look into my bedroom, and I'm going to show you guys how I was able to eliminate the snoring in my bedroom and how you can eliminate the snoring in your bedroom as well, even if you have a stubborn, reluctant partner like I do. So go ahead and make sure you are subscribed. You hit the notification bell so you can receive updates on future videos. Make sure to give me a thumbs up for convincing my partner to try this device out that's been a heaven sent, and it has stopped him from snoring. So that alone, convincing a stubborn man to do something, I deserve a thumbs up for that. And lastly, make sure you share this video with anyone who may snore and needs to cut it out quick. Today's video is done in collaboration with Snorple. Snorple has been a heaven send for us. Literally, I went from not really being able to sleep at night to being able to get a full night of sleep and wake up feeling rejuvenated and rested. My boyfriend snores very loudly, and for us, we go to sleep at different times. So a lot of times, because I'm up editing or we just have different work schedules, I end up going to sleep, getting into bed after he does. And he snores very loudly, and I need like quiet. I need like, I can't even handle white noise. I need like quiet when I sleep. So we really struggled with that for a while, especially when we first started living together, and we gravitated towards the Snorple because the Snorple was the best way to eliminate the snoring, and it's comfortable and it's easy to use. So I've done other videos that go in depth on how to use the Snorple, but essentially the Snorple is one of the only anti-snoring devices on the market that is this effective, and it is the only anti-snoring device that has their proprietary tongue bumper. So it gives you the most coverage on the tongue out of any of the other devices that I've used, and it is the most adjustable device on the market. It's more adjustable than any of the other devices that I've used as well. It has 15 different adjustment combinations. So if you have an overbite or underbite, you can move it backwards and forwards very easily. Also, you can remove the tongue bumper if you want, and you can move it backwards and forwards. Super simple to use. I'll link the video down below if you guys want a more in-depth video on how to use the Snorple. But I want you guys to hear how my boyfriend sounded before we tried the Snorple. Take a listen. Now, could you sleep with that? Like, ridiculous. Like, he's so loud. Like, love him to death. But he's loud, super loud. Like, he's louder when he sleeps than when he's awake, and I don't even think that's possible. So it's crazy how loud he snores. So it was just no way I was gonna be able to sleep. And also, I like to get into bed and read at night. A lot of times I don't go right to sleep. I like to wind down, get a good book, and just kind of relax. And I just really wasn't able to do that before we got the Snorple. So now I was able to get him to use the Snorple because, like, listen, it's super simple. We're going to put this in some hot water for 15 seconds. You're going to put it in your mouth, bite down, and see how it feels. We're going to rinse it with cold water, and then if we need to make any adjustments, we can easily just pop the top and bottom plates apart and snap them back into place to readjust it. So literally we did that. We adjusted it a couple times, and he was like, okay, it's comfortable. He went to sleep, and literally it was like magic, you guys. Magic. Like, he stopped snoring. I couldn't believe how much better it got. Like, it eliminated the snoring. I was really happy that we were able to like completely eliminate the snoring. Other anti-snoring devices that came with like little tools and things to, you know, that you have to keep up with. He loses things very easily. And it was just like, you know, too much. He just didn't like any of the other devices because either they were too cumbersome, they were uncomfortable, they hurt his mouth, his jaw hurt when he woke up because the device was too big and bulky or just uncomfortable, and it didn't have the adjustability that the Snorple does. So we were kind of just stuck with, you know, sometimes none depending on the device, or, you know, very little adjustability, unlike the Snorple. So all in all, like, the Snorple has been amazing, and I want you guys to hear it from the horse's mouth. So let's go ahead and hear his thoughts.
Other anti-snoring devices that you've tried.
Yeah.
How do you like the Snorple?
I like it a lot. It was really comfortable. It fit well, and apparently, what I thought was cute, subtle snoring, it really took care of. So, was a winner for me.
So there you have it from the horse's mouth. He absolutely loves it. For him, not only did it stop the snoring for me to make me more comfortable and able to sleep, but he actually found that he got a better quality of sleep using the Snorple. So for me, I would highly recommend this to anyone who is struggling with a partner that won't stop snoring. If you can't sleep at night because of your partner snoring, it does not have to be that way, honey. It does not have to be that way. There's a solution. The Snorple is the solution. It is the best anti-snoring device on the market, in my personal opinion. I have tried many other anti-snoring devices from both myself and my boyfriend, and this one by far is the best out of all the ones that we have tried. And with the Snorple, it's very well made. Like, we've been using this device for over a year now, and it is still in perfect condition. Like, it looks great, it's in great condition. They have a nice carrying case that we're able to store it in, so it doesn't get, you know, dust on it and everything. The Snorple is literally, like, I'm telling you, it is the best. Save your money. Don't go, you know, trying to buy all these random devices that aren't going to work. Get a Snorple. You'll only have to buy this device once. It's going to work. It's going to give you the best sleep that you have ever had. I'm telling you. If not you, your partner, the partner that was hearing you snore, they will get better sleep than they have gotten in a while if you sound anything like my boyfriend. And like I said too, being that I had my boyfriend use this, he is impatient. This is easy to use. A lot of the anti-snoring devices, they're not easy to use. The Snorple is easy to use. The Snorple is cost effective. The Snorple is comfortable. And most importantly, the Snorple puts it into snoring. So I would highly recommend this product. It is the only anti-snoring device that we use now because it is just that good. So definitely, I highly recommend heading over to snorple.com, and you can use my discount code sheilafree for free shipping at checkout. Definitely go ahead and pick this up today. The link will be down below in the description box. So I would run, not walk, to snorple.com and pick up your device. So make sure you check out my video at the end. That video goes over how to use the Snorple. Thank you guys for watching as always, and I will see you guys soon for another video. Bye.